Mdina, Malta, a city like no other, with a history that spans over 4,000 years, perched atop a hill. Its ancient walls and narrow streets whisper secrets of the past. This silent city has seen empires rise and fall, and today, we're excited to delve into its fascinating story. Mdina was the old capital of Malta. The city has a few inhabitants and offers beautiful views over the island. Its historic center is a maze of narrow streets, picturesque alleys, and grandiose buildings that blend seamlessly into one another. It is truly a magical town. Mdina is referred to as the Silent City by Maltese and visitors alike. No cars, except those of a limited number of residents, have permission to enter Mdina, and the town provides a relaxing atmosphere for visitors who walk its narrow streets and alleyways. It's a city that has been frozen in time, and we're thrilled to explore it. As we wander its streets, we can feel the weight of history beneath our feet. From the Phoenicians to the Romans, the Arabs, and the Knights of St. John, each civilization has left its mark on this enchanting city. The history of Mdina is a long and complex one, spanning millennia. Founded by the Phoenicians in the 8th century BC, it has been an important fortified city throughout the centuries. The Romans, the Arabs, and the Normans all left their mark on the city, shaping its architecture, culture, and language. As we make our way through the city's narrow streets, we're struck by the silence that pervades this ancient place. It's as if the city is holding its breath, waiting for the secrets of its past to be uncovered. However, Mdina's silence is not just a result of its rich history. It's also a result of the challenges it has faced over the years, from preservation issues to tourism impacts. One of Mdina's biggest challenges is the delicate balance between modernization and heritage preservation. The city is a fragile ecosystem, and any changes must be made with careful consideration to its cultural and historical significance. One of the most significant periods in Mdina's history was the rule of the Knights of St. John, a medieval military order that played a crucial role in the city's development. During their reign, Mdina flourished, becoming a center of culture, art, and architecture. It's a legacy that can still be seen in the city's stunning Baroque architecture. The Knights of St. John were instrumental in shaping Mdina's unique architectural style, blending medieval and Baroque elements. The city's grand cathedrals, palaces, and buildings, such as the magisterial Vilhena Palace, are a testament to their craftsmanship. Mdina is best visited on foot. However, if you get tired, you may experience the town by a horse-drawn carriage like these folks. As Mdina is situated on a hill, the views from the city walls are pretty impressive. If you're in for a cake and a drink or lunch to go with that view, we can recommend Fontanella Tea Garden. They have a big selection of cakes and chocolate delights, and their hazelnut iced coffee is very good. To check out the view in the other direction, head out the new gate, a small pedestrian gate on the southwestern side of the city. Mdina Cathedral Museum and St. Paul's Cathedral are some of the most popular tourist attractions. The Mdina Cathedral Museum is housed within a magnificent Baroque building with a rich history that traces its origins back to the early 1700s, formerly a seminary built under the patronage of Bishop Paul Alpharin de Busson. The building was officially inaugurated as a museum in 1969. It is now home to artworks dating from the 1300s, including ecclesiastical artifacts and Mdina Cathedral-related objects of art. The museum's collection also includes various prestigious donations and bequests by private collectors dating back to the early 1800s up to the present day. The museum's eclectic displays include both religious and secular exhibits in various media. Albrecht Dürer's collection of over 80 original engravings and woodcuts on permanent display is one of its highlights. The painting galleries on the first floor house masterpieces from the 1300s to the 1800s. Here you can admire Mattia Pretti's Sacrifice of Isaacs, Maximilian Caffey's Still Life with Flowers, along with some Maltese artists like Francesco Zara, Stefano Arardi, Anton Schruns, and much more. Dominating the narrow streets of Mdina with its magnificent ornate facade, St. Paul's Cathedral is a 17th century building dedicated to St. Paul. The cathedral was built in the area where the saint allegedly converted Roman governor Publius to Christianity. Designed by Lorenzo Gaffa, It was constructed in 1702 after the old church was destroyed in an earthquake, with many of the previous buildings' surviving features masterfully incorporated into its lavish Baroque design. The cathedral is said to be the architect's greatest masterpiece. Lit up by stained glass windows, it is a hive of artistic activity. Its ceiling and dome are decorated with exquisite and elaborate frescoes, whilst the floor is carpeted with inlaid tombstones and marble slabs. Its sacristy is a wealth of artifacts and contains paintings by Mattia Preti and other great artists. Mdina is more than just a city. It's a symbol of Malta's rich cultural identity, a testament to the island's complex and fascinating history. And it's a city that is waiting to be explored, to be discovered, and to be cherished. This enchanting city is waiting for you. Its narrow streets and grand buildings beckoning you to come and explore. Finally, if you want to explore more historical cities or learn about Malta's rich history, be sure to check out our other videos. From Valletta to Popeye Village, we've got you covered. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Mdina, and we'll see you in the next video.